I found 50 real estate agents in United States to pitch my services in less than 30 seconds and without spending a penny for that. Only by using Google and Chatgpt, and automate your lead generation and emails with AI automation systems like Make, N8N, or Zapier. I'm gonna use N8N in this video. So let's dive in it. First of all, let's go to google.com. In google.com, write like this. I will put this on the description. You can use it. Yeah, just copy paste this text in google.com, and this is specifically for real estate agents in LinkedIn, because as you can see, LinkedIn is a very powerful platform for B2B lead generation. So I don't know, if you are looking for another target audience, you can just change this part. For example, for me, was real estate agents, but maybe your target audience are lawyers or doctors or engineers or business owners. No matter what your clients are, you can just use this method, real estate agent. @gmail.com. Also, as I said, LinkedIn is for B2B lead generation, but if you want, you can find also people on Instagram or x.com or any other platforms. But for B2B, I would rather LinkedIn. All right. So these people, these searchers, you can see these search results. It's from all around the world. It's not for United States. As I said, I found real estate agents in United States. So as you can see here, it's written Arabic. But if you want to find people in United States, there is one simple method, or any other countries, not only United States. Just come to tools and use Google Advanced Search. So for Advanced Search, just leave these box. You can add any of these words, this exact word or phrase, whatever, but I'm gonna go here, region. For region, for example, I'm going to United States, United Kingdom, United States, Uruguay, Uzbekistan, any other countries in the world. But I would go for United States. So advanced search. Ta-da! Check this out. Almost 7 million results. Like, you have 7 million results for real estate agents. It's impressive. Look, it's 1 to 10. Check this out. Check this out. All of them are real estate agents. Steve, like another broker, Ken, and all of these results actually doesn't include email or phone numbers, but no matter, because you can find so many people with their numbers and Gmails and emails. For example, check this out. Julia Dagistanli @gmail.com. Yeah. Or even her number. Or for example here, Zenobia Williams in Florida. Again, Dave in Florida. This is pretty awesome way to find your client to pitch your services, but it's really hard to find it. I don't know, just copy it, send an email and stuff like this. So for organize these emails and this information, we need ChatGPT. Here, come to ChatGPT and just copy and paste these prompts or write it. I don't know, whatever you prefer. Just copy this prompt in ChatGPT. So we need this information. So check this out. Come here, use Control A and then Control C, and then come back to ChatGPT and paste all of those information here, and it asks from ChatGPT to extract these data and in the columns name, email, number, and region, and or any other features that you want. And check this out. Interesting, right? Yes, that's it. Look, I got 1, 2, 3. I got 8 real estate agents in United States. Yeah, some of them are not United States like this, but most of them are in United States, like Arizona, Orlando, Dallas. So now you have very clean data and information. And actually, my Google is not endless. I should go to the next page and copy them again. But you can change the setting on Google to be endless, I guess, and just copy them. And yeah, next one, copy this, again paste on, where's ChatGPT, and put the same prompt. And you will have too many leads. Yeah, for me it's real estate agents, but maybe yours is different. So next step is this. Just copy this or use this one, copy table, and open up a Google Sheet. Yeah, I already have here. This is my Google Sheet, and paste all those information here. Yeah, as you can see, name, email, number, and region. So you can do this over and over again for each page. So you have informations and emails. Next step is this. I come to N8N automation and build a workflow for it. It's very easy. You can just enter the Google Sheets information into this sheet. Then you can ask Gmail to get these information from Google Sheets and send your specific message. Let me show you here. For example, to when you can just, I will explain later about this matter, but you can write your message like, hey, the name. You don't have to write every time their name, because if you connect your Google Sheet, there would be so many people's name here, and you can just add here. But you can write, I don't know, random message. Hey, I'm providing house tour services for real estate agents in United States, and yeah, it would be my honor to work with you, or whatever. It's just a message, and you can send these message to all these people here by adding their emails. Yeah, I told you I will create another video about it. Also with N8N you can connect to MailChimp GetResponse to handle your email marketing campaigns, which really needs another video for that. And if you don't know what is this MailChimp or GetResponse, I also have created another video here about a beginner's guide for choosing right email marketing tool. You can also watch that up here. So if you find this video valuable, just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more AI hacks and tech hacks in business, lead generation, and sales. And if you wonder who really am I, just watch this video up here about my thoughts behind this channel and why I create this channel. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.